Hey guys, it's Alexis, and today I'm going to show you how to do this super cute prom makeup, and it's actually pretty easy, which is surprising. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by putting on this Cetaphil, however you want to say it, all over my face as kind of to act as like a primer under my foundation. And I'm also going and putting some onto my neck too, just so that my foundation won't stick and look funny. And now I'm going to take my foundation and apply it to my face with a brush, and this is actually a little too dark for me right now. So I'm going to try to blend it into my neck as best as I can. Okay, so now I'm going to take my concealer and apply it with a beauty blender. I'm going to blend it onto my eyelid as well so that it'll act as a primer. So now I'm going to take my pressed powder and I'm just going to put it all over my face to set the foundation. I'm actually going to fill in my eyebrows, and I actually use eyeshadow because I found colors that match like my eyebrow color the best that I've been able to find. So I use a mixture between two colors, and I'm just going to go in with an angled brush and fill them in and then brush it out. So now that I've filled in my eyebrows, I'm going to actually go into bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my face a little bit, focusing kind of like right below my cheekbone. So let's do that. So now I'm just going to take a little tiny bit of this peach blush, it's kind of peachy, and just put it on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, so now I'm just going to start off by using this light color of eyeshadow right here, just as a base for all of it. And I'm going to go in with a shading brush, I guess is what it says it is, and I'm going to take this color right here and use that as a shade in the crease, and I might go a couple shades darker as well, just to make sure that you can kind of see it. So I'll probably be doing this one, and then this one, and maybe that one, but just a little bit. Okay, so now using my finger, I'm actually going to go in with a few different gold shimmery shades like this one, and a few of these, because these are all shimmery gold, and I'm going to focus that all over like the top of my lid. And now I'm going to start going in with some lighter shimmery shades like on this side, and do those just on the middle of my eyelid. And while I'm using these light shimmery colors, I'm going to focus some just on the inner corner of my eye. And now I'm going to start deepening up the outer corner of the eye with some of this brown and this brown. And lastly, I'm just going to blend the top all out just so that there isn't like a harsh line. Take some more of the shimmery shadow and just go a little bit under my eye. Just very, very close to the lash line. Blending it up into the top of the eyelid. I'm gonna take a little of the lighter brown and do it just a tiny bit in the corner. And once I'm satisfied with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner and I'm gonna do a little wing. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to apply some mascara to the top and bottom lashes, but not as much to the top because I'm going to put on false eyelashes as well. So for eyelashes, I'm just using these from e.l.f. They're the Natural Lash Kit. That's what they are. And found out my glue was dry, so I'm borrowing my mom's, which you actually shouldn't do because I don't know. Anyways, it's not very good to like borrow eye stuff, but I'm desperate. So I'm using this Duo eyelash adhesive, but normally I would just use whatever comes in the package. So I'm just gonna apply a little thin strip. And then I'll just wait for it to get tacky. And now I'm just gonna apply it. And you can kind of see it took off a little bit of the eyeliner in the corner, so I'm gonna have to try to touch that up. And I'm going to do the exact same thing to this eye, hopefully. So after you do that, you can either be done, or what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply some of this nude lipstick. It actually doesn't show up that much, but... And over top of that, I'm going to add some of this Baby Lips. It's like not nude, but it's like light pink color. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and comment down below if you're going to prom or not. I'm actually not this year, but I still wanted to show you guys some ideas for makeup and hair and stuff like that. So if you have any other ideas also, please comment that below and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Okay. Just kidding. I'll just have like a mustache. Okay. Now I'm going to apply it, or yeah, I'm gonna apply
cute prom makeup. And also,
Okay, so now I'm gonna take a little bit fluffier brush, not quite like a fluffy one.